At iXceed Solutions, we connect top talent with global opportunities.
Today, hear from our candidate, placed as MERN Stack developer, in a leading multinational company in India. Let's begin.
What aspects of our recruitment process did you find most helpful?
So during the overall journey, during the recruitment process, like I have 3 rounds. So each time the executive, the person from your side, from the solutions team, gets called to me, and so that I could be prepared. So if in case I forget, then he reminded me before 1 hour, before half an hour. That I find is like a good thing, so that I could also get enough time to arrange the things, arrange the stuff like that. While working, it's not possible to arrange things like in a one go. So yeah, so that call thing is very good. Overall, on the other hand, the feedback journey. So each time when I interviewed, I expect a feedback, and there the consulting person takes good care of that, so that everyone should be in loop, whether I or whether the organization. So that is what I find the good thing about the consultancy.
How would you describe your interactions with our team?
From the resume shortlisting phase, he played a very crucial role for my resume shortlisting as well, so that the resume matches the criteria of the client's requirement. Thereafter, tailoring my resume, like helping me tailor my resume with the reference key points. Thereafter, I find he goes beyond the line for the support. From being interviewed to working in the firm, there have been each time, whether it is an interview round, whether it is a joining date, whether it is post joining, there have been a good communication from the consultancy side, so that I could be comfortable as well, because there has been no direct contact with the client's HR. So they just have the release process, and overall the journey has been through the consultancy. That is what I like.
What qualities of our team did you find most supportive?
So yeah, basically aligning the interviews on time. For example, I do have an offer. I am holding an offer, and so I have to decide. But the offer is from Bangalore location, and I am looking for. So taking my consideration about that. So they also have gone through beyond the. I think they've gone through beyond the sprint while connecting to the clients, so that the interview can be aligned on time, and it could be like process. For example, interview can be done. So at one time I have also rescheduled the interview. Sometimes they have rescheduled the interview, but during the overall process, your team's contribution was to make the alignment smoother. And until the onboarding process, the alignment was the communication and the transparency. Both the things are way smoother.
Would you recommend our services to other job seekers?
Yeah, of course, definitely. I would recommend the consultancy firm to the other job seekers as well. In fact, I have recommended to some of my friends that you can go and go through them, and you can also connect with them. I have also given some of the references to the other for the other developers to the company itself.